Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to read the improper fractions as decimal. Improper word means the value, the fraction which has numerator greater than the denominator. If you see this kind of fraction, you can say this is improper fraction. It must be changed into whole numbers, and otherwise here our question is decimal. So you must be changed into decimal. Now how? For 159, then the divided by 100. How you have to divide? It can be divided by one time 100, one time 100, then 9 minus 0 9 5, and 1 minus 1 0. Now we have here 59, so there is need of 100. That means it has only unit and tens. There is a need of to make it 100. How we can make it 100? If we consider here point, we take point here and we can consider here 0. Okay, then now it becomes 590, and it can be divisible by 100 by 5. You can 100 5s are 500, then 0 9. Now we have 90, so again need of 0, and after point in different times we can carry only 3 zeros. Here we already carries, and then it is second time. Now if we consider here 0 with 90, it becomes 900, and it is exactly divided by 9. So now we have here 1.59. It's converted into decimal fraction. So we write here, and we must be learn the way in which you have to be call them and how to read them. Now it is integral part which comes before the point and after point. What change you can see here? 1 is considered as ones, okay, and then after point 10th and 100th. What is the number here? At the place of 10th we have 5, and at the place of 100th we have 9. So we must be write them in that way. 1 ones plus 5 plus 5 10 and plus 9 hundreds. Okay, then express each of the following as decimals. Here we have 500. That means it's a decimal fraction, and you must be right in which way. First of all, you make you just suppose here is a decimal, and what comes after decimal? 10th, and then 100th. Here 10th is missing and we have only 100, so at the place of 10th we have to be consider 0. Now we write at last 0.05, and this value 2 upon 72 upon 100. As we know, this is integral part and this is decimal part. It comes before the point and then point, and then 72. We have 72, the point 72. And why? Because it is equals to 1 and double 0. So it is exactly right, and that is way in which we have to write, and we have to change into decimal fraction. Now again we have improper fraction, and how we have to change? First of all, we take this value and divided it by 100. You can see here 265 can be divided by 100, so 100 to the 200, and now we have 5 and then 6. Now again there is a need of 0, so we point here and we can be consider here 0 after taking point. Now it becomes 650, 100, 6 are 600. Now 0 5, again we have 50, and there's again need of 0, so we can carry 0 here. Now it becomes 500, so exactly divided by 5, the answer should be 2.65. And now in case of thousandth, that is hundredth, that means 2 places after point, and here we carry 3 places. Why? Because that is a case of thousands. 6,000. How you have to write? First of all, point, then placing the values. Now it's a what comes after point? Tenth, then hundred, then thousands. So we have only thousands, so we must be right in that way. Now 9 upon 3,000. How you have to write? 9 is the integral part, and that is 003. Now we have 360 upon 100. This is again improper fraction, and you must be changed into decimal. How? The same way in which you have to multiply. Again 360 divided by 100. How many times? 360 divided by 100 3 times. First we divide, and what we have remaining number? 60. So there's again need of decimal, and we can carry here 0. Now it becomes 600, and it can be divisible by 6 times, and that is a case of 100. It make it 100. How? We add 0 here, because we want to make it 0, 100. Okay, that is okay. Kindly subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.